subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo launched its new K-series phone in China called Oppo K11x, and it is the successor of the last year launched Oppo K10x smartphone. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo K11x features a tall 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, and up to 240 Hz touch sampling rate support. The phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 695 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs 8 or 12 GB of RAM, which can be extended up to 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, with microSD expansion support. As per the optics, the Oppo K11x sports a dual camera setup on the rear, which houses a 108 megapixel main camera, with f1.7 aperture, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor, with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16 megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 67 watts fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 out of the box, with ColorOS 13.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also includes VC heat dissipation system that keeps the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.5 by 76 by 8.3mm, and it weighs around 195 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo K11x has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,499 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 1,699 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 1,899 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in jade black and pearl blue color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from May 31st. So what do you guys think of this Oppo K11x smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates.